What is up, boys, and welcome back to another psychology lecture. I haven't made one of these in a while, and I kind of stopped making them and I slowed down just because I realized I can only say so much on the internet before it gets repetitive. But I came to the conclusion, most of you guys really do need to hear this more than I should be saying it, because I need to engrave it in your heads. I need to engrave my message to the world as a trader in your heads. And I've been trading for a little bit over 3.5 years now. For those of you guys who don't know who I am, my name is NasdaqAle. I have officially accumulated well over like $440,000 in payouts. I'm probably going to hit $500,000 in payouts by the end of either August or September, which would be a huge accomplishment for me. But my even bigger goal is to turn someone watching this video profitable. I'm just honestly sick of seeing everyone online steering you guys into the wrong direction, telling you guys this is what you have to do to be profitable. This is the only way to become profitable today. Tomorrow you have to follow this system, follow these rules. No, absolutely not. The truth is, being profitable is completely your choice. When you wake up in the morning, you have two choices. You have the option A, which is follow your rules, follow your system, and choose to be that profitable version of you. Or option B, which is the easy way out, which is what most of you guys take because you like being lazy. Whether you admit it or not, being a profitable trader is not about having a missing piece, some secret knowledge, secret sauce, secret system, 100% win rate strategy. Being profitable is about not being lazy, is about following your system and having the discipline, no matter what, to show up that day and be the best trader you could possibly be. But the truth is, most of you guys just love taking the easy way out. 99% of you guys will choose to break your rules. 99% of you guys will choose to revenge trade that given day. 99% of you guys will choose to blow your funded accounts instead of following a real system because you knew deep inside it was the easy way out. It is always the easier choice, right? There is no secret key, secret piece you are missing to becoming a profitable trader. You have all the resources you need online. You have all the resources in your head. You know what it takes to become profitable. You're just too lazy to admit the fact that you enjoy taking the easy way out, because you fully have the option to wake up tomorrow morning and follow your rules. You fully have the option tomorrow morning to wake up, take 1 to 2 trades, no matter what happens, ignore the outcome, follow your system, follow your rules, pass your funded, wait a few weeks and get a payout. But what do you do instead? You take the easy way out. You full port your account because you lost the trade and you're upset. You blame the market instead of blaming yourself for maybe what was a faulty execution. Maybe that loss was part of a system, part of a winning system. A winning system you won't even let play out because you are too lazy to follow it. You're too lazy to follow a system that you know is proven to be effective. You're too lazy to follow a system you know will make you money, but you don't have the discipline to tie yourself down and actually follow that system. It's starting to piss me off seeing everyone online trying to teach you guys the wrong things, because I myself was also taught the wrong things. I was taught that you needed to be perfect as a trader. You're always taught online, this is the missing piece to your system. This is all you need to become profitable. No, you have everything you need to become profitable. Being profitable is completely your choice. It is up to you. When you wake up in the morning, you have the option to be the profitable version of yourself or to be the lazy version of yourself. And you are constantly picking the lazy version because it is the easy way out. You are constantly picking the lazy version because you know deep inside that you don't have the discipline to be a profitable trader. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, or whenever it is if you're watching this on the weekend, the next time you wake up and the market is open, I want you to sit down and be honest with yourself. Are you disciplined enough to follow a system you know will make you money? Are you disciplined enough to follow a trading strategy that you truly believe will turn you into that dream profitable version of yourself? Or are you just going to be a lazy little shit and break your rules, not follow any discipline, and just crash out and blow your account? Because the truth is, you fully have the option. Being profitable is 100% your choice. Being profitable will always be your choice. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, when you wake up whenever the market is open, remind yourself, I have the choice today to be the profitable version of myself. I have the choice today to follow my rules, to follow my system, to be a disciplined trader, or I can take the easy way out, blow my funded, and not follow any rules, any guidelines, and just be a complete idiot and repeat the same cycle again the next day and the same thing again after that. Because guess what? If you don't stop yourself and if you don't turn yourself profitable, no one else will. It is your choice. Being profitable has and always will be your choice. And that is the reality of it. What do you mean it's my choice? What do you mean I can just wake up and magically be disciplined? I was once unprofitable. You guys think that I just spawned in a fucking Lambo. You guys think I just spawned with an M4 and money and payouts. No, absolutely not. I've been trading for over 3.5 years. I was in high school in my classroom, sitting there blowing funded accounts for 2 years before I even passed an evaluation. I've been blowing evaluations longer than most of you guys even knew what day trading was. Longer than most of you guys have even probably been on trading social media for. And the truth is, trading is hard, bro. Trading is fucking hard. Trading is the one skill that probably has the hardest learning curve. It probably has the hardest learning curve out of any other online money get rich quick scheme. You take drop shipping, SMMA, any other form of online money. You have high ticket sales, all these bullshit gurus online. Why do you think every other influencer on social media is starting to day trade? Because they see it is a real viable way to make money. They see, holy shit, these traders online actually make money trading, and they're not just making money selling courses, right? Well, guess what? It's going to take 3 years of probably the worst humbling experience you are going to go through. You're just going to lose money, funded accounts, friends, time, your dignity. You're going to hate yourself for probably 2 years. And guess what? The reward is 1,000 times worth it. I will do it all over again. I would drop everything to go back in time, become that unprofitable version of myself, and do it all over again, because I know that what I did when I was unprofitable paid off 1,000 times over. I know that me sacrificing sleepless nights, money, time, probably my happiness for over a year, all paid off, because now I have a high income skill at the age of 20 that I can just do wherever the fuck I want in the world, whenever. And you're not gonna get there by taking the easy way out. You're not gonna become profitable by choosing to be undisciplined and choosing to break your rules, because I know the way you think, because I was once you. I was once the unprofitable kid watching this video thinking to myself, why can't I make money trading? Why can't I wake up tomorrow morning and request that $10,000 payout? Well, the truth is, in your head, you're probably telling yourself, oh shit, I'm just going to become profitable over time, because everyone becomes profitable over time. Everyone said it took them 2 to 3 years. Everyone said it took them 4 to 6 years to make money trading. Why do you think it took them so long? You think it took them so long because magically one day they woke up, you're like, oh, you know what? I have 3 years of trading experience. The market just owes me money now. Absolutely fucking not. Absolutely not. They woke up one day and they snapped out of it and they said, I have the choice today to be the unprofitable or the profitable version of myself. And I'm not going to be an idiot and fuck it up like the last 700 days I've woken up and chosen to be the undisciplined version. You have option A or option B. And if it takes you 3 years to realize that, then so be it. If it takes you 6 years to realize that, so be it. But it doesn't have to. It does not have to take you years to realize you have the option and you are fully capable at this stage in time to be disciplined and to be profitable, right? The reason it takes so many traders so many years, including myself, is because no one had the balls to tell me to my face, you have the option, you are fully capable, you understand how the market works, but your emotions are getting in the way. Your lack of discipline is getting in the way. You can choose to be that profitable version of yourself today, but you choose not to. You choose to take the easy way out because you are comfortable doing it. You are comfortable breaking your rules. You are comfortable folding into the bad habits that lead you to losing money, time, friends, freedom, everything, because you know deep inside that you are not capable of becoming that profitable version of yourself. But guess what? I'm here to tell you you are. I'm here to tell you when you wake up tomorrow morning, you have the choice. You fully have the choice to become the person you believe you are truly meant to be, to become the profitable version of yourself, to become the version of yourself that makes money online, that makes money trading, and that is truly fulfilled with where they are heading in life. And that's why it takes traders so long to become profitable. It's not because magically the market rewards them for having years of market experience. That is not true. Having years of market experience will definitely help you get better entries, better exits, will definitely help you make more money trading. But that doesn't mean you can't be profitable with a few months, a few years of experience if you have the right psychology, if you have the right mindset and approach to the markets. The only thing limiting you is your self-belief. It is your self-belief. When you wake up tomorrow morning, you have the option. Am I going to be the profitable or unprofitable version of myself? Just remember, when you wake up tomorrow morning, you fully have the option. You could be that profitable, disciplined version of yourself that is making 5-6 figures a month trading, or you can be that unprofitable kid who takes the easy way out every single time, they are tested. Every single time they are tested to their limit. When you wake up tomorrow morning and the market opens, you have two options. You can either take the easy way out, like you always do, break your rules, break your system, have poor psychology, take random trades, revenge trade, cave into FOMO, or you can be that profitable version of yourself that you know deep inside you are more than capable of becoming, and you would do anything in this world to become. And actually sit down and follow a system that you know is proven to make you money, that you know you are more than capable of following, right? So next time the market opens, promise me you are going to try your best to be that profitable version of yourself. Make the choice. Make the right choice, because the choice is right in front of you. And you are just choosing the easy way out. Fully 1 a.m. and I'm sweating my dick off in this car. So I hope you guys actually took something out of this video and take the opportunity to change your lives, all right? I'm sweating, so I'll see you guys in the next video, all right? Peace out.